This video is a demo of an interactive comparison platform for proxied mobile web services. Let's start taking a look at the setup. This is the server running the comparison platform, which is connected over a wired connection to this router over here, which creates an 802.11g wireless network for the clients. The client in this case is this laptop over here, which is already ready to run the client software. But before doing that, we have to prepare the server itself. So here I'm running the comparison platform, which is now starting. It's written in GBT, so it's loaded in the default browser. But as you can see, there are no registered web services yet, because I've not started them yet. So if I now run the web server starts, and after a couple of seconds, the web services register themselves and appear here in the table. If I just would happen now to take one of these web services and stop it, like for example this one, immediately this web service is eliminated from the table, and if I started it again, it pops up there again. Taking a look at the user interface, well, it allows us to take a look, for example, at the VSTL of the files. It furthermore lets us test or make some basic tests with the web services, like for example, here type in my name, and then the web service answers and says me hello, so very exciting. And here I get some information about the web service itself. The most interesting button is the one in the last column. The second website over here is the one showing the performance of the web services. Now I'm starting the RMI server, and once I start it, with this command over here, it is marked as available and idle in the table. If I just happen to stop it, it's marked again as unavailable. Nevertheless, I'm starting it again, because now I want to show how the client works. So I'm running the client on the other laptop, and it's now performing calls to web service, and immediately the performance of these calls is shown in this graph in real time. So this is the time each of the calls takes. This is done retrieving always larger objects, so the access time is increasing. I'm doing the same with the RMI proxy, and thus the access time is less than with the SOAP web service. Before finishing this theme, I also would like to show the mobile client, which I'm running here on my mobile phone. It's written in Java Mobile Edition in the CLDC version. It allows us to give in some input, which determines the size of the objects, and once I run the service itself, the phone asks me if it can connect to some local network. I choose one of the wireless LAN networks, and after some time, the service is finished.